Did you know 7 out of 10 Indians are financially illiterate? It's more alarming in rural India. No education, no resources, they're left in the dark. Financial illiteracy means bad choices, no saving, and falling for scams. It's hurting millions. It's time to change this, and it starts now. Introducing HDFC Securities Know Your Money. Our mission to make financial literacy everyone's right. Help millions of Indians achieve financial literacy through on-ground and online efforts. Available in 16 languages, accessible anywhere, from mobile phones to tablets to in-person. Reaching over 5 million people every year. 1 lakh plus students, 1,000 plus teachers, and thousands of communities have already been reached. With HDFC Securities Know Your Money, we would educate, empower, and elevate millions of Indians to make financial freedom a reality.